yellow Predatech minnow deep diver. Modified rod here, folks. Just about to have a bit of a dig in this pond here. The old sawn off Shimano, see if it will pay a dividend or two.